Okay, hello Captain Siptic, this is Captain John Lean speaking as first officer.
Hello, Captain Johnny Lee.
Uh,
McCann.
we're going from London Stansted to London Heathrow, and we are preparing the aircraft.
Yes. Should we run through the checklists?
Absolutely. I'm just 1 minute. I'm doing the flight plan in SimBrief. I'm showing it on the screen now.
Yeah, I need to enable my graph as well.
Okay, so the airline is Scandinavian 357, depart Echo Golf Sierra Sierra, and arrival is Echo Golf Lima Lima. Alternative is Echo Golf Charlie Charlie. We put depart Zulu time 13:15, and the aircraft airframe is an Airbus A320 fly-by-wire. And we have a livery SAS Ursa. Yes. Cruise profile is 5. Descent profile is correct, and passengers, we are going to have a fully loaded aircraft with passengers, and this is what we are filing. So right now I see only a route of three. Maybe it's one SID and one star, or there is no SID at all. It's Lam 3 Romeo, Lam 1 X-ray.
I think I need to remove my VR headset. So wait a second.
Yeah. So departure runway 22. I don't know if we can have an 80s before we file this flight plan. Arrival is 27, but I guess we will just take this what's suggested for us in the flight plan, and I will file an extra 200 kilo fuel for taxiing, if that's okay with you, Captain Siptic.
I didn't get my sound change device.
Okay. So
I get the last.
Okay. The suggestion from the flight plan is departure runway 22, arrival runway 27 right. We have a taxi out to for start. It's 2008. I'm not sure about what that is, but I put a 200 kilo extra for taxiing. So okay. If you are I don't know what's the name, bekväm, vad säger man på engelska? If you have comfort with this, I will file this flight plan.
Yeah, that sounds great.
Okay. Generate flight.
You have everything under control.
Okay, we did file this, and I will also pre-file it on VATSIM. Call sign is correct, SAS 357, departure EGSS and arrival EGLL block UTC, altitude 7,000 feet, airspeed 281, so flight level I put 70. So route details, if I check VATSIM, it says only LAM as route details. Okay. Let us go with that. So now I will see. Okay, so now I'm in the aircraft, and we did file a flight plan, and I will start vPilot, and
now my Microsoft Flight Simulator crashed.
Ah, great.
Oh,
So, but we didn't do anything yet with the airplane, so I will go out from your control.
yeah, please do that. I think it would be a mess otherwise.
Yeah, disconnect.
Start to spin around.
Yes, I disconnected.
Stopping the server. Actually, I'm stopping the server also.
Yeah, so I did disconnect from your controls. This is a program we use so we can share the cockpit, and yeah.
Yes.
And we do run the fly-by-wire A332 NX development version. You are also in the development version, Per, right? Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
That's correct.
Save settings. So now your computer is still running, but your
Yes.
Yeah.
Flight simulator crashed.
Yeah.
That was a bit strange. Might be the external power vehicle was crashing into my airplane.
Yes. Streamer mode. I don't know what that is in your controls.
I don't know either if it's using less bandwidth or something. I don't know.
Okay.
It's a
Okay.
bit,
Yeah, I understand. Yeah. So we will wait
do I have
for.
any expected SID maybe?
Let me see. Check.
To the west.
Let me. I can connect to the VATSIM. I'm connected right now, and I will see if we have any 80s, so we can see what we kind of can expect. I will also put up right now the Navigraph. I will press new flight from SimBrief, and it will catch our flight.
Yeah, let's do that as well.
Okay, so we do have an departure. It looks like we do have a departure. It says
LAM 3
yes, right, Romeo, Lam 3 Romeo. Yeah. That's what we have filed. So we should say Lam 3 Romeo.
I expect that we will get that one since we are.
I hope so. Yes. Lam. So departure probably Lam 3 Romeo.
Runway 22, right?
Runway 22 right. 22. There is only 22. Let me put this up here.
And transition altitude in Europe is 5 or 6,000.
It can be 6,000. We are not. Let me see that on. We don't have any 80s now, so we have to do that in the airplane when we get it started up.
Yes. And the cruise level is flight level 70, right?
Yes. So today I was yesterday I was seeing they as soon as you go over to standard pressure, they're talking about flight level, and as soon as you go into QNH, you're talking about like 7,000 feet.
Okay.
Yeah. So I didn't know that before, but that's what they say. But that's correct. Lam 1 EGSS, and then we arrive at Heathrow at runway 27, right?
Now it states Echo Parking number 32, gate medium for my Stansted.
Or you 34 Echo. Yes. Yeah. It should be that. Yes.
It's really strange that we have different naming on the gates.
Let me see.
Oh, I hope we're on the same one. That was the question since we started to spin and enable controls.
Okay.
Maybe it moved.
So if you look at the airport information 309 taxi. It looks that we are at apron Bravo. At
I'm not in the airplane yet. So.
Oh, okay, all the way out at the end. Okay, I will take that, and we will have a SID. And what is the SID?
And the
Lamb 3
external power track is totally crazy.
Okay.
I'm at stand 34 now at least.
Yeah.
I'm ready for your controls, so I'm starting the server again.
Okay.
And I have a new code. It's Golf Tango Lima Echo Echo.
Golf Tango Lima Echo Echo. Okay, I can see you.
I give controls to you.
And I give it back to you.
Seems a bit better now. It didn't jump around too much, so looks good.
Perfect.
Okay. I just need. Okay, I don't need to. I can use the Navigraph application. Just start that again.
Let me see. What is this departure? Lamb 3R. But if I go in the SID, I don't see any Lamb 3R. I see depth. Lamb. Depth departure. Utava. Lamborn. Maybe it's Lamborn.
Yes,
3.
Lamborn. Yes.
Lamborn. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is just a short cut, or what's called.
Okay, I see. Okay. So Lamborn 3 Romeo departure. Okay.
That's what the ATC will tell you also.
Okay. So I will make an overlay on that to the map here. Somebody is calling. I cannot do that.
5,000, 3,000. It says row 1, 5,000 and 3,000 feet. I'm not sure what they mean about that, but look at the seat.
Yeah. Okay. So
I believe we will get the flight level from the ATC in its climb. Flight level for the departure. Lamborn.
yeah.
So are we ready?
Just one second, Per. So now I will see. I will have only an approach and departure. Approach, we have Echo Golf Kilo, and I don't see anything on VATSIM right now. Do you?
I'm not connected yet, so I need to connect.
So let me see.
Oh no, that was observer mode.
It's strange because if I go in WhatSpy and I go EGSS airport, we have.
You connected with. I think you connected with the wrong call sign. You need to have a letter now. Observer mode.
No. Oh,
I should be observer.
Yeah.
Wrong
I will go into and see if they have got the flight plan successfully fetched, and we do.
There is no Stansted controller now. No longer.
We have a cruise altitude of 7,000 feet. No, there is no controller, nothing in Stansted. So we will just go on the what's
with the Unicom.
Unicom, yeah, and it's 122.800, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I will take this. Should we put in some a star for the airport, or should we expect the star that we file, or should we?
I think we need to wait. And yeah, we could expect that since we
Yeah.
don't know if we have any controller.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see here. London Stansted and star. What did it? 22, right? Okay.
The star is Lamborn 1 X-ray or something.
Yes, okay. Lamb
It's
1
just
X.
one waypoint.
Let me
It's
see.
like going to the airway and then back to the star direct.
Okay,
It's very short.
is that the 10-2 delta chart?
Let's see.
It should be. I think because it's showing we're coming from Lamborn, and
if you just click Lamborn
1X, yeah,
and
yeah.
you click show, you click show chart overlay, it will appear directly.
Yes. Okay. I'll have it on here now, and I will also look at the approaches and let us pick one approaches. Really crazy, but 27 right. Let us see. Warning: do not proceed beyond big VR without ATC clearance. Okay, we should have a notice of that. Big VR. We can watch which one is big. Oh, that's the one. Okay. Arnav ELS runway 27. Maybe that's the red one. We go for the 27 right? Okay. So we will add it to the route, I think. Yes. It's in there. So we will expect 27 right? Okay. So now we have the Navigraph. Okay.
All set?
All set for that? Yes. I will take the checklist. Oh, let me see if we do have the check. I have the checklist here. Okay, great. Okay, I only see the checklist. Okay, we can do that.
Are you using the one in the cockpit?
Yes, I used the one in the cockpit. Yeah.
Okay.
And
don't forget to turn off the AE radio communication ATC if it's.
Let us see if that's the communication is on. It should be on. No, it said the electrical system must be turned on in order to use air traffic control. So we have to get the airplane some power now. Okay. Before let me see. Specification limitations. So flap 1.
So we'll start with preliminary cockpit preparation.
Okay, preliminary cockpit preparation.
So
I only have the resume here. Let me see.
First page.
Let me see. Okay. Fly by wire. Alltså, jag får inte ner den. Let me see. I can go down. Mode MC.
You can scroll down with the mouse.
No, I cannot do that. I don't know why.
Okay. You can press the minus button.
Let me see. Cockpit preparation resume. I have. Let me see.
Are you on the A320 MX fly-by-wire?
Yes. Yeah, by J-Day version 0.10.
Yes. If you look to the left, there is specification limitations in orange, and then under that one is gray one saying preliminary cockpit preparation.
Let me do all the way up. Let me see.
What do you see now?
I see mod options in the MCDU. I don't know why. Maybe see.
You're on the wrong page.
Okay. Let me see.
You can go with the arrows.
Yeah, arrow left and right. Okay. So let me see. Now I'm on the specifications limitations. Let me see.
Okay, there are several ones. I'm on the one saying A320/132NX fly-by-wire.
Let me see.
Checklist and proceed. Not the crew one.
Okay, now I'm on the Piper. Let me see Piper. Mooney, maybe. I messed
Yeah,
this
it's
up.
like 20 different checklists.
Really? Douglas DC? Okay, let me see. I don't know how I did. It has it all. Okay, I did see fly-by-wire checklist here, I see. And the next one is fly-by-wire FS2 crew.
Take the first one you saw there. Back one.
I'll go back one. It's A320/832NX fly-by-wire
Yes.
guide checklist by GD. Okay, so
Yeah.
how come I come down? Then I press down.
I just scroll. I just put my mouse over the window and scroll on the mouse button.
Okay, I cannot do that really
You
here.
can expand the window.
Let me see. Before take-off holding a point. Alltså här är inget bra för mig alltså.
But they use the papers instead. Yeah,
What? The paper? Okay. I think I used the paper.
Yeah. I think it's the same.
I will check into this later. Okay, cockpit preparation checklist. Fuel payload menu.
Yeah, I believe we have already configured that in SimBrief.
Yeah,
so
okay. So parking brake should be set.
Wait a second, I don't know if we need to put on the power yet. No, we should not do that.
No, it's coming later on in this cockpit preparation.
If you say the first word, I will answer you.
Okay, yeah. Parking brake.
Set.
Landing gear.
Down.
Wiper.
Off.
Weather radar.
Off.
Engine master 1 and 2.
Off.
Ignition selector.
1 more.
Battery 1 and 2.
Off.
They should be on.
Yeah, but it says check off.
What?
I believe. Okay. No, they should be off right now. I think we haven't enabled external power yet.
So we should
we can check the power on the battery, and it's above 2.5 volts. It's 2.7 volts, so the battery is okay.
I think in my checklist it now said we should put on the battery on.
Oh, okay, yeah. Sorry, I'm looking at yours, and it's different.
Yeah, I think. Okay, so in external power should be set to on also.
On.
APU fire test. We should go.
APU fire test.
Yeah.
No, wrong button.
Oh yes, I see that you're going to do. Yes, and APU master on should be set to on. Yeah.
Yeah.
APU start.
Yeah.
Cockpit preparation checklist complete. And then we have EFB, Echo Foxtrot Bravo.
EFB.
I'm not sure. The other one, it should be on, and EFB setup throttle calibration. Oh, that's the fly pod. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Fly pod on. Check. And
staying there. Sorry for that.
okay. Okay.
This is the fly path, I think. They're talking about here, EFB.
Yes.
The version that's already down.
Yep. That's correct. Okay.
When it is available, some power off.
One more time, please, Captain.
As it states, external power off when APU is available, and that's available now, so we can turn off the external power.
Because there is a lot of restrictions on the airport that you are not allowed to run on the APU more than a couple of minutes before start. So we are in a hurry now, okay? But we will do. I will continue with the cockpit preparation because it's maybe I was a bit quick. Let me see.
After B, let's go continue after the green lines EFB743.
Yeah. Okay. External power when APU is available. So
That's now.
yeah, you can quit external power. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ideas.
Nav.
Correct. Electric hydration yellow pump.
Wow.
I think that's a check.
It's already set.
So maybe the let me see, hydraulic pump, we have up the fuel, I don't know, we will have the fuel. No, yeah, I don't know where it says that. Electric hydraulic. Maybe you have to check for how it looks in the hydraulics. Okay, we will.
I don't see anything on the
I need it right. Let us set up some lights in the cockpits before we continue with the.
I don't think we need to worry about electronics hydraulic pump because it's probably already set.
Yeah. Okay. But they're asking about the hydraulic pump. The yellow one. Yellow is low. Let me see what they are asking for the yellow pump.
Pumps are up here, so it's in the top. It says green, blue, and yellow, and the yellow one is on.
Ah, yeah, that should be gone. Let me show me where did you find that?
Just below the engine 2 fire.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. So that it's on. Yes. That's right. Okay. Flaps.
Retract.
Ground spoilers.
Retract. On. This on.
Yeah.
Now it's on. Like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's messing with it. Okay.
Probe window heats on overhead. Probe window heat.
So we have that. Okay. Yeah. Let's activate that one.
Okay. APU bleed. Yeah. On. It's on.
Hear the APU running.
Okay. Great. X bleed.
Not sure about that one. I think it's already on. Somewhere here.
X bleed.
Engine bleed. We have ACOM tax 1, 2 is tax is on. Engine. I don't know where the cross feed is.
Crossfeed is on the fuel section, under the.
That one is on.
Yeah.
Now it's on.
No, it's off.
It should be out like this.
Yes. Yeah. Yep. Aircon packs 1 and 2.
They're on.
Check. Temp selectors.
Wow. Temp selectors.
Yes, should be set.
Yeah, it's already set, I think, so I don't know where it is.
Oh, I don't know either, so.
Let's leave that out.
Okay, let's leave this out. Engine 1 and 2 fire bottom. Got and tested. Emergency lights. Strobe lights.
Cruise supply is on.
Yeah. Cruise supply is on. Yeah. Cockpit lights as required, so we can set the cockpit lights. Yeah.
I think they are as required.
Okay. Let us see. Now it's another option in the MCDU.
I don't think we need to look at that. We can go to MCD setup, maybe.
Yeah, okay.
Now we can take the metadata.
Okay, let me see what you are doing here.
If you look at the next green.
Metadata. Yes. Okay. Yep.
The apps you see.
Weather requests, right?
But we need to initialize the MCD first.
Yeah. So
it's not included in the
checklist. No. Let's do the initialization process first. So now we have departure and destination, fuel on board 9.5 ton, but we will see if we do the performance weight and balance, we will have a block full of 3,855 kilos, taxi fuel 200 and trip fuel totally 7 ton.
And the fuel panel. Screen.
Souls on board 186.
We need to do the performance initialization here in the page as well before we can do meter requests.
Yeah.
Flight level 070, cost index 5. We're going to let's see, from Echo Golf Sierra Sierra to Echo Golf Lima Lima, alternate Echo Golf C, what's that now?
Charlie,
yeah, exactly. And then we set the zero fuel weight 57.2 and block fuel is 2.2.
Confirm.
Now we can go back and request the weather information. Sending. Request sent.
Great.
I'll do 80's request as well.
Oh, you did request an 80s here. That's great. Yeah. So then we can see.
Yes. I will print the metadata.
Yes, let me make some remarks of what we will have. Heathrow information, Charlie, info, arrival soon, EGLL. What?
QNH is 1014.
At Stansted. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
It's the same on Heathrow.
Because I see the 80s E at Heathrow, I see that's the information, Charlie, but do we have any information?
Departure runway 27 left.
Yeah, but that's
Stansted.
no, that's not on Stansted. Stansted, it's 22.
Sorry, it's not. Yes, this is the wrong one. We need to request the 80s for the other.
Yep.
To press departure.
Ah, okay.
I think I didn't get that right last time either. So got the wrong one last time also. Let's wait and see. I don't think it's the correct information. But now, let's see what we got. It's still EGLL. Right?
Oh, I don't know.
Now, maybe next. No, I don't know. Let's try one more thing.
Yeah.
Do 80's request again, and we'll press. It says EGLL here.
Ah, that's something. That's strange.
Doesn't work. Maybe we need to go.
Ah, no. It says something wrong because you have EGLL and departure. We should have.
Yeah, it doesn't work, I think. So I go here instead and look at the 80's.
Yeah.
And it says departure only 27.
No.
It's still EGLL. So
No.
we don't have any 80's here.
No.
That's the problem.
Yes.
So we don't know. But it doesn't matter. We can choose where to start. I believe it's the runway that was the recommended runway by Seawave, based on the wind.
But we didn't get anything about the message received from that we could print.
There is no 80, so we don't have any.
But meta, it's only meta EGSS we have here, right? EGSS.
Someone is calling me from Nevada.
Okay, maybe it's the company. So I think
it's Cisco. So
I will stop. Should I stop the recording and we can?
I don't want to answer.
Okay.
Let's see.
Okay. Let me. Did you print this one? The meter report for Stansted and Heathrow.
Try to print it.
Yeah. Okay. Now it's coming here. I see. Okay. Let me see what it says. EGSS 220 and 7 knots, right? The wind is 220, 7 knots.
Yes.
QNH 1014. So
and this is the question, the climb wind. So is this the climb level meter data you got, or is it the airport? It's the airport, right? We don't know the climb wind, or is maybe this is for the airport. It's at 220 degrees.
Yes.
7 knots, but it's the altitude.
You can set the current altitude of current altitude of the aerodrome. So set 100.
1,000.
100.
100.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Okay, that's no good.
I think we should select the flight level we are trying. I said 70.
But okay, let's.
I thought this is for the climb wind. This is what
okay, yeah. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Yeah. You're right. Let's do that. Okay.
I think this will be right. Like that. Yes. Okay.
Okay. Let's see what we did get meter and TAF information, 80s and everything. I don't know anywhere else we can get an 80s information right now. We don't have it on BATSIM, and we don't have it in the computer, so let's go with what we have. We have the transition level at 6,000 feet.
Vi ser det tillkörda. Jag tänkte så. Det går inte med.
Hallå? Nu kommer det. Ja. Vi ska flyga